Hello everyone, we are students of the Universidad Autónoma del Estado de Hidalgo and we are the Mexatech team integrated by Julio César Castro Mendoza
Cristian Cabrera Velázquez,
and Eric Rios Montiel.
and we will present our project called Hopman, which is a prototype of an electronic arm and hand prosthesis controlled by an electrical signal, which is designed and built for people who have suffered the total or partial loss of an upper limb.
in Mexico, one of the most important health problems that affect thousands of Mexicans every year are the amputations, which can be caused by different causes, such as vascular diseases, unintentional injuries, defects of congenital origin, or cancer.
Due to this current situation in Mexico, an electronic arm and hand prosthesis printed in 3D is proposed to solve this problem, which offers the same capabilities of a sophisticated prosthesis at a low cost, allowing to be accessible to all the population that needs a device like this.
And now these are prostheses. As we can see on the screen, the prosthesis was designed and assembled in SolidWorks to be printed in 3D. This prosthesis has 4 degrees of freedom, elbow width 2 joints per finger, which allows different movements to be generated with the prosthesis.
As a control system, we are using 2 electrical sensors to provide the most natural user experience possible. These sensors obtain the electrical signal produced by the muscles when I flex my elbow or close my hand. So later, these signals can be processed by a Raspberry Pi Pico controller board, which interprets these signals and according to the programming codes, allow the movements of the prosthesis.
Now I am going to give you a demonstration of how the prosthesis works. Previously, we have connected electrodes to the long flexor muscle and bicep of my partner, and now we will connect the electric sensor to these electrodes.
Now I'm going to connect the sensors for bicep. First, the sensor for bicep, and now the sensor for muscles of my hand. And now the prosthesis is ready to function. I open, I close, I open, I flex my elbow, I down my elbow, I close, I flex, I open, I down, I flex, I close, down, and open. And this is the function of the prosthesis with the electrical sensors.
We also have a routine programmed to show how the prosthesis works.
And now is the function of the prosthesis without the sensors. In this moment, the prosthesis is working automatically without the sensors, and the wrist of the prosthesis is functional.
The hand is limited to movements such as opening and closing the hand and bending the elbow, but we are working to give the hand more freedom of movement.
Hope Hand has a production cost of $622, which is extremely cheap when it's compared to the price of other prostheses that exist in the market today. And with this, we are looking to be a cheap and accessible option for people who need a prosthesis, offering the same feature as existing prosthesis and even better. This prosthesis is designed in SolidWorks, which allows to be customizable according to the age, weight, and size of the consumer, since all people are different and therefore an universal prosthesis is not feasible. In Mexico, there are very few people who have access to a prosthesis due to different factors such as the economy of the country and the lack of institutions that manufacture prostheses. So HopHand is a right option to contribute and help to the population that needs a prosthesis. And that is all.